Welcome back to the channel. If you are a Deriv trader looking to automate your success, today's video is exactly what you need. We are diving deep into PivotCore.net, a powerful automated trading platform designed specifically for Deriv users. Forget manual emotional trading. Today, I'm going to show you how to leverage smart bots to trade smarter and more consistently. I've been testing a specific strategy, and I can't wait to share the results with you. For those who don't know, PivotCore.net is a state-of-the-art auto trading interface for Deriv. It connects directly to your account and allows you to run high-probability strategies with zero manual intervention. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this platform simplifies the entire process. It's fast, reliable, and built to handle the volatility of synthetic indices 24/7. In this session, I'm focusing on a very popular and effective method, the 4 over and 5 under strategy. This is a digit-based strategy where we predict the last digit of the tick. By setting the bot to 4 over, we win if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Conversely, with 5 under, we win if the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. The beauty of PivotCore.net is how it analyzes the digit frequency in real time to pick the best entry points for us. Now, let's look at my trading plan for today. Discipline is key in trading. I've set a target of 10 trades, and my goal is to secure 5 solid wins. You might think only 50%? But with the right stake management and the high payouts of this strategy, a 5-win target is not only realistic, but highly profitable. Watch as the bot executes these trades based on the mathematical trends it identifies on the Deriv servers. Why am I using PivotCore.net instead of manual trading? It's simple: speed and discipline. The bot doesn't get tired, and it doesn't get greedy. It follows the 4 over, 5 under logic perfectly. You can see how the interface gives you a clear view of your profits and losses in real time. This is the future of Deriv trading, taking the guesswork out and letting the data lead the way. As you can see from our results, we hit our target. If you want to take your trading to the next level and stop losing money on emotional manual trades, I highly recommend checking out PivotCore.net. I have put the link in the description below. Join our community. Start using these automated tools, and let's grow our accounts together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more trading strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.